Hello everybody, my name is Victor, I'm from the Lark Branch. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make ice cream. And the first thing we're going to do is we'll go over the ingredients. The first thing that you're going to need is whole milk, salt, granulated sugar, heavy whipping cream, and vanilla. And that is just for the base. Because today I'm going to spice it up a bit, I'm going to make it more into a strawberry cheesecake. So what I'm also going to add is some strawberry jam and some cream cheese. And that's just for the ice cream. What we're also going to need is plastic bags and ice. What this will do is it'll create kind of a little freezer effect, so that when we start mixing everything together, it can freeze right there versus having to put it inside a fridge or freezer. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get a bowl and let it chill. What this will do is it'll make the ice cream a lot more solid, much more quick. First thing we'll do is we're going to go ahead and get the granulated sugar. That we're going to need about 3/4 of a cup. So let me go ahead and get that. And we'll go ahead and add it to our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to want to add the whole milk. And this will be 1 1/4 cup. So here's one. And then we need another 1/4. Now what we need to do is we need to mix it all together. I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick. Okay. Now that we know that the whole milk and the sugar has been completely mixed, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It doesn't take a lot. Don't overdo the salt because you will definitely taste it. Next is going to be the heavy whipping cream. That we're going to need a full 2 cups. This is already everything in our base that we need, so now we get to add our extra ingredients. For instance, the cream cheese and the jam. And then you're going to mix again. Okay. Once you're sure that your mixture is nice and mixed, I'm going to go ahead and add it to a quart-size Ziploc bag. So we can go ahead and use another measuring cup. You don't really want to fill up the bag the entire way. If you do, you won't be able to mix it very thoroughly, and it will take a long time for you to be able to make your ice cream. So here, Go ahead and seal it. And try to take out as much air as possible. There we go. Then we're going to go ahead and take a larger bag. In this case, a gallon size bag. And we're going to add ice to it. Then we get more of our salt. And we just put a whole bunch in there. Go ahead and break up any chunks that you would have. Just make sure not to puncture your bag. And you'll see from the bottom that it's already melting. What that is because of the ice and the salt, it lowers the freezing temperature of water. So without the water actually cooling, it becomes a liquid again. So it'll have better surface area to completely coat our creation, and it'll cause it to freeze. So now all we have to do is seal up the big bag full of ice and salt and put the mixture on the inside, and then we'll slowly just kind of mix it together, making sure not to pop the inside bag. And you'll have to do this pretty much until you can feel that it's gotten a lot thicker. All you do is just slowly mix it. If it starts to get too cold, feel free to just grab some either gloves, or you can even wrap it in a towel and just continue mixing it that way. Okay. And once you're done squishing it, you'll start to realize that it's getting soft, well, harder, like soft serve, and that's when you're going to be able to remove it. You'll notice that when you squeeze it, it's still a bit soft. It's not going to harden all the way, but now you will be able to get a spoon and it's ice cream. And just like that, you've actually made your own ice cream.
I hope you enjoyed watching our DIY Steam Sunday video. Share your samples by tagging us at #ConnectWithNPL and #MPLTeens. Thank y'all, and see you next time.